to delete WhatsApp photos permanently from Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp and select the chat from which you want to delete picture. Hold on to the picture and you'll find delete option on top. Simply click on delete and click on delete for me. After that, you're good to go. Second step is simply open gallery and you'll find WhatsApp folders in gallery. In here, all the images from WhatsApp are saved. To simply delete the folder, simply hold on to the folder and click on delete. But if you only want to select one or two pictures, open the folder. In here, select the picture you want to delete, click on three dots located on top right, or if not, simply click on delete on bottom and you're good to go. That's how to delete WhatsApp photos permanently from Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.